Hey, it's Dan with AMT here for the Hex Driver, and once you use this tool, you're going to be screwing everything in sight. Let's take a look. The Hex Driver is a one-size-fits-all solution for the most common sizes of hex key fasteners. Simply push, fasten, and our proprietary bit does the rest. And if you need a little bit more extra torque, we also provide an L key which uses the same technology. A regular set of hex keys takes forever to use. They're un-ergonomic, and you never pick the right key on the first try. If you haven't even lost the key you need already. The Hex Driver eliminates all of these issues. It saves time, space, and frustration. Any size, big or small, the Hex Driver can fit them all. What is this? You don't need this anymore. The Hex Driver is for your bike, your boat, your car, furniture, machinery, and much, much more. Look, the Hex Driver is going to save you so much time, you're going to be saying, if it ain't orange and gray, it's just in the way. Here's how to back the project. When you select Reward 1, you're going to get one hex key screwdriver and one L key for only $20. However, if you're wanting a little bit more, select Reward 2 and you'll get two of each for only $38. Still not convinced? The Hex Driver uses high quality steel and is corrosion resistant due to its black oxide coating. Watch this. Right into seawater. We don't care. It even works in the middle of a hurricane. We're American Mutt Technologies, and we strive to be the world's most innovative tool company. So if you're ready to save time, space, and frustration, click back this project now and select a reward. And remember, if it ain't orange and gray, it's just in the way.